Hello, in front of me I have new Balance RunIQ, and I'm gonna show you how to enable the phone notifications on this device. To enable the phone notifications on this watch, we need to do a couple of things. First, we need to allow the permissions for the Wear OS application on the phone that is paired with our watch. So, to do it, press and hold on the Wear OS application icon. You should see this menu right here. You tap on the this icon to open the settings for the app. Basically, this is the app info. Tap on this, and you should see the app info menu. Here, tap on permissions, and we need to allow a couple permissions. So if you want to get the notifications about calls, messages, you need to allow permissions for the call log, contacts, location, phone, and SMS. So let's do it. Allow, go back, contacts, allow, go back, phone, allow, go back, and SMS, allow, and go back. Once you allow these permissions, you can close this menu. Now we can open the settings, and in settings, find the option called Apps and Notifications. Then tap on Advanced, scroll down, select Special App Access. Here, find the option called Notification Access and tap on it. If you can't find this option, Notification Access, you can also, if your phone allows it, of course, tap on Search and type in Notification Access. Then tap on the search result. It should bring you to this page. Then tap on Notification Access, and you should see this menu. On this menu, tap on Wear OS by Google. As you can see on my phone, it's already allowed, but by default it should be turned off. Basically, it should say not allowed. You need to tap on the switch to allow it, and then tap allow. And once this is allowed, we can open the Wear OS application on our phone. You should see the new Balance RunIQ page. On this page, scroll down, tap on Notifications, and here we can customize our notifications. First option is silence phone while wearing the watch. And what it allows you to do is basically, if you're wearing your watch, you can silence some events on your phone, like calls and alerts and notifications. And to do it, simply enable the options by tapping the switch. Okay, and if you want to customize the notifications on your watch, you can tap on Change Watch Notifications. And here you should see the list of applications installed on your phone, and you can allow or disable, rather enable or disable the notifications for each app separately. So, for example, as you can see, by default, all of the apps are enabled. You can disable them by tapping the switch. You can also enable them if they're disabled by tapping the switch. Basically, you can customize this whole thing. And once you're done, you should be able to receive the notifications on your watch. For example, I have this app called Fake Notifications. It generates the notifications on your phone, fake ones. I'm gonna use it. As you can see right here, it's enabled. Basically, I have the notifications enabled for this app. So I'm gonna open it, generate the fake notification. I get the notification on my phone, and I should also get it on my watch. And as you can see, I did. Here we have it. Not sure how to open it, but I think you just swipe up on the screen, yeah. And to remove it, you swipe right on it. Or, yeah, right, instead of left, like this. And as you can see, it works. And that's how you enable the phone notifications on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.